What you just seen was just the foundation put together from our tutorial journey. There's something missing that will elevate your transition game. Do you see the flash and blur between each scene? The flash is an animated option that isn't free, but I have another technique that is. We'll call it We Got Molab at Home Transition, and you can fix it any way you like. Let's begin. Here are your main tools we're working with. The diamond-shaped pin, the slider and under effects. Video effects. Shake. Blur. And oblique blur. This is the position these effects when being stacked above one another. Let's start with shake. Now when applied, you'll be shaking like a diddy party, and we don't want that. So we need to adjust. Start with the diamond-shaped pin at the start and end of the shake effect. The starting pin adjust to max and the ending pin adjust to 0. You can adjust the shake further into the scene if needed. Next, duplicate to increase the effectiveness of the shake. You can duplicate to the beginning of each scene. Now on to blur. We want to do the same process but slightly shorten the length under the shake. The same process is done to blur. Beginning pin increase to max and ending pin to minimum. Duplicate for effectiveness. Add the same process to oblique blur. Now you can add this technique to all your scenes and adjust accordingly. Any questions about this technique or would like to know more? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for your support.